Hi guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video is still working on my 2004 Infiniti G35. So this time I have a code to my O2 sensor. This is before the catalytic converter. This is the P1273 and P1283. The problem with this code, guys, a lot of people, if they get this code on your car, and what's happened if you reset this code, the car never gonna be start again. And if the car doesn't want to start again, what do? I'll show you guys today. Well, look what's happened. The car start normal now. Look, the car start normal. Look, see, the car is on. But look what's happened. Look what's happened, guys. As soon as you reset the code, like I reset the code, as soon as you reset the code, so look what happened, guys. Waiting for the resets. Okay, reset the code. See, reset the code, everything. See the guy? You're the guy, guys. The car doesn't want to start. The car doesn't want to start, guys. This is what I told you. But don't get scared, guys, if the car doesn't want to start. So I gotta show you why. Now we're gonna go there. How we're gonna be fix this problem, and the car gonna be started by the way. So what do? Open the hood. Open the hood, guys. Like, this is live video. Don't say I did some tricks. Look, come into your battery side here. Disconnect the battery negative sides. Wait for 30 seconds. Okay, after 30 seconds, put the battery back, and we go start in the car now. Car gotta be start now, for sure. You see that, guys? The guy starts normal, and no lights in the dash. Yeah, guys. So, guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more tricks. So all the problem in the car is the O2 sensor before the catalytic converter. Both of them is not good, so I have to recharge them. There you go, guys. So the problem we have, so we have two sensors. So it was the P1283, it was this side here, and the P1273 and this side here. So pretty much I gotta change them both of them. Right. See here? I gotta change them both of them. Like that would be safe to fix the problem. So bank one, like bank 2 sensor 1 and bank 1 sensor 1. So I gotta order them down. Hopefully the parts gonna come in tomorrow, and I'll show you how to change the sensor.